Go. Okay, turn around, go back. Try to walk a little faster, okay? And now? Yeah, that way. Good, okay. Let's stop right there and throw and catch a ball. Yeah. Right hand. Boom. Yeah. What?
Does it look that awful when I'm throwing it? At my hand? Can you see it?
That right one is just a little off, but we'll try to fix that for you. Okay. Going to take a basketball and bounce.
Okay.
Yeah, walk and bounce, yeah. Both hands.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, both hands.
Yep. Left, right, okay.
And
Keep going. Yeah, keep going.
I do not like this on the videotape. I'll tell you that right now.
Okay. Okay. Go back. Okay, walk towards Paul now.
Dribbling?
Yeah. Okay, can you walk straight line now, like heel to toe? Let it go.
Not with the ball, huh? Well, this is not good.
Yeah, that's the right, yeah. Uh-huh. Go ahead. Yes, then, can do it. Okay. Okay. Now finger to nose coordination. Yep. Yeah. Oh, go ahead. Quickly, yeah. Very good. Close your eyes now.
Not even getting it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. How about the left one now? Okay, move away, Paul. Okay, good. Good. Close your eyes now. Let's see.
I think I'm not that good.
One finger only, index finger only. Oh yeah, much better. Okay, good. Okay, turn around now. Come back.
I wish I wouldn't have my hair fixed a little
Oh,
bit.
come on. It's for me, for my own.
I know.
Beautiful. Wow, look at the arm,
It's
your right
much
arm.
straighter.
Wow.
Is my arm looking good too?
Oh, great.
Yeah.
You're just going to fine tune
Okay.
the arm.
Keep
for you.
going.
Yeah, we'll do one more round. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Beautiful. Wow.
I can see that it's almost there, but
Yeah.
but
You know what? That's all time. It's going to take a couple of years for that.
Yeah. Well, yeah, but I know it's because I used to be like this,
I know.
right?
Yeah.
I mean, I kind of remember
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, you were.
Left, right.
Left, right.